Welcome to Singapore, everyone. Kwame the Wanderer here. I just arrived at my hotel and it's been a long day flying from Brisbane to Changi International Airport, Singapore. And I'm feeling exhausted, so I'm here to take a rest. Just dropped my backpack. I'm not going back on the street. I want to rest, recover. And tomorrow, I'll hit the streets of Singapore and show you guys around. I'll give you an immersive walking tour of Singapore. I think I will spend about 3 days here. So there will be a lot of walking and walking and walking and walking. So be prepared to explore Singapore through the lens of Kwame the Wanderer. Anyways, first and first, I will give you a room tour of my hotel. There's a queen-size bed, an air condition, some clothes hangers right here, and a small table to put my bags on, and a shoe rack. Being in Singapore, the room is quite small, but to get a room of this size in Singapore is a privilege. I won't say it's a luxury hotel. It's just a standard hotel. So in Singapore, this hotel is not considered luxury, but it's not a budget hotel either. Maybe it's budget for some people, but to me, it's just a standard hotel. 138 Australian, 60 cents per night. Let's check the bathroom. That's the toilet, a WC. There's a water heater, a portable sink, heated mirror, towels, shower. So all the necessities have been covered. The booking comes with 2 bottles of complimentary water, and there's sachet of coffee and Ceylon tea, non-dairy creamer, and sugar. I'm coming to blast the air condition so that here will feel like the Arctic, and hopefully I will get a very good snooze. Once again, welcome to Singapore with Kwame the Wanderer, and tomorrow we will explore Singapore together. See you in the morning. Bye-bye. Good day, world. I've woke up. It's a beautiful morning right here in Singapore, and I'm feeling very fit and healthy. I would like to showcase my neighborhood to you. So this where I'm staying is called Farrer Park. So let's walk Farrer Park so that we will explore how my neighborhood where I'm lodging looks like. Let's go for a walking tour, folks. I bought this Singapore tourist pass at Changi International Airport's MRT station. MRT is the metro of Singapore, and I bought 3 days pass, which I think it cost me 36 Singaporean dollars for 3 days. I will cross-check and put the correct amount I paid on the screen. So this gives me access to the metro. I can ride on and ride off everywhere in Singapore for 3 days, as well as all the public buses. So you tap and go. It's like hop on, hop off. So during the 3 days of validity, I can ride the metro and the public buses everywhere in Singapore. I think it's very handy. wanderers, thanks for joining me for this walk. I'm returning back to my hotel room to take a shower, and after I will go back on the streets and show you more of Singapore. I'll be taking you to part of Singapore called Little India. So we will be exploring Little India very soon. Stay tuned for more immersive walking tour with Kwame the Wanderer. Keep watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.